Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to enable scroll to top on WordPress Blocksy. Okay, so we have our homepage here, and when we scroll down, we don't get anything on our screen. So in order to enable scroll to top, let's go ahead and move over to our top toolbar here, click on Customize, and that should take us to the WordPress Customizer. Alright, once we're here, let's go ahead and move over to our left-hand sidebar, click on General, and scroll down a bit, and you'll see Scroll to Top is disabled. Click on the toggle button, what a funny word. It's enabled now. When we scroll down, we get a little Scroll to Top icon there, and when we click on this, we can change our icons and icon sizes and icon shapes and so on and so forth. Now we can also enable or disable scroll to top on desktop and mobile. Real quick, let's disable it on mobile. Let's go to the mobile preview and you can see it's disabled. We can click on this and you can see it's now enabled. Likewise, we can disable it on desktop, but have it enabled on mobile. Okay, so let's just enable it on everything. Let's go ahead and click on Publish to save our changes. Alright, we're on our site again. Let's reload our site, and as you can see, we now have scroll to top enabled on our WordPress Blocksy website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.